Hey babes, just really quick because I realized that there was a couple things I didn't mention in the video to come. So I just wanted to do a very quick little intro and mention that Imethod is a Amazon beauty store. That is where you can find them with the Amazon Prime shipping. So you get that free shipping if you have Amazon Prime. And also I wanted to mention that the product comes in 6 different colors. And if you're wondering, I have the shade 04, and it worked perfect for my blonde sparse brows. And then also it typically runs about $28, but right now it is on sale for $17.95 on Amazon. And then there's also a little clip it coupon to save even more. And then if you want to save even more, I also have a code that will be linked in the description box below. And then of course there will be 3 people that will win this product from Imethod Beauty. So thank you so much, Imethod, for partnering up with me and giving 3 of my subscribers the chance to try this product. Okay, so the use and my thoughts and everything else about this product is coming right at you. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm so glad you're here. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continued support. So if you see the same outfit for the first couple of videos, I'm trying to do a little catch up. It's super late at night now. I just got home from my Hawaii vacation today. I was gone for 8 days and I've got a lot of things I got to catch up on with you guys. So I wanted to get out my first giveaway video. This is going to be a giveaway video and the giveaway is actually sponsored by Imethod Beauty. I'm going to be able to have 3 winners to win this package here. You will be able to choose the shade that will work best for you. So you'll be able to check out, go online and check out what shade you think will work for you. Let me know and then I will let them know and they will send you the package. So 3 of you will get to win the Perfect Eyebrows in Seconds pack from Imethod, and I am so excited for this. But let me just first say, just in case you're new, I have a few other giveaways going on right now. They're all going to be ending at the end of this week, so I don't want anyone to miss their chance. If you're new and you didn't know about it, I have a Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette up for grabs. I also have a NARS Quartz eyeshadow palette up for grabs, and then I also have an Makiage $35 e-gift card. So that's 3 different giveaways and they're 3 different videos. They'll all be linked in the description box below. To get your entry for any of those giveaways, you have to be subscribed here on the channel and then leave me a comment on the giveaway video. And like I said, they'll all be linked below. Now for this, you also have to follow Imethod's YouTube channel and my YouTube channel. And I will have, of course, Imethod linked in the description box below. And then you also have to leave me your favorite emoji in the comment section down below in your comment. And then you do have to be a U.S. resident for this giveaway. On my other giveaways, if I'm shipping it out, I do ship international unless otherwise stated. So those other 3 giveaways previously mentioned are open to anybody. The Imethod giveaway here, the 3 separate winners all have to be U.S. citizens because Imethod can only ship U.S. right now. Well, at least for my giveaway. I don't know what they do outside of me and my channel, but for my giveaway, they said they do have to be U.S. citizens. So just keep that in mind. But you guys, look how cute this is. So here is what you get. You get a cute little carrying case. It does zip and close. So that's kind of cool because this is like a little set of things. And if you're anything like me and your makeup station is a little bit or maybe a lot disorganized, this is really cool because you're going to be able to keep all of your things that you need for this product together. It does come with stencils for the left eyebrow, stencils for the right eyebrow. It comes with kind of like a little pomade. And then it also comes with a couple little tools here, and let's pull them out and check them out. I have not tried this at all, you guys. This is brand new to me. I got it, and I did feature it on my PR unboxing before I left for Hawaii, but of course we're going to try it together. Okay, so it comes with a little brush that's got like a little liner brush, and then a spoolie opposite side, and then also this kind of sponge brush. So you guys, let me see this product. Also, if you are not a winner of the giveaway, or if you're not a US citizen, so you couldn't qualify for the giveaway, I can get you money off of your purchase. I'll have my code for checkout in the description box below. And then also the link to this very product. Now, I just want to look up and see how it says to use this. Okay, so first it says to find the stencil that will work best for you. So let's get into the stencils, you guys. I'm a little nervous about this because I've never tried this product. I did try their powdered stencil product, and I was actually really, really surprised at how good it worked. But, today we're going to try this one out, and I just kind of need to see, I think this one right on top, or maybe the second one. Okay. Now I don't want to get them mixed up. I want to make sure that I keep the left side with the left side and the right side with the right side, but I do need to open this side as well. You guys, I missed you guys. I missed you guys. Okay. I want to make sure that I'm getting the same. Okay, yeah, that does not look the same. Hold on a second here. Maybe I should have found some matches prior. Okay. Okay, yeah. So these are both five. They're both fives. And I'm thinking this is what's going to work best for me. So I'm going to pop out the little stencil. You want to, if it comes out a little funny, just make sure that you clean up the edges there. Okay, so that is something that I didn't realize, but that I am really liking. So this will help keep things organized. Each of the different shapes has a little number for the left side and the right side, and the numbers will match. So it'll be 4 and 4, 5 and 5. So I really like that. That helps someone like me keep it together. Thank you, Imethod. Loving that. And I'm going to use the 5 stencil. And it looks like this. It's not a perfect match to my brow. It's definitely a little bit thicker than I typically go. But we're going to try it out. Okay, so next it says, tap your sponge into the lid of the pomade and, oh, okay, I'm sorry. Dip your sponge in the pomade. Okay, so we're going to just dip her in. I'm going to make sure I got enough product on there. Then it says tap the sponge onto the lid to remove any excess product. Whoops, I just did it on the wrong side of the lid. Well, welcome to the Jeannie Show. Okay, so we're just going to tap it onto the lid like it says. Place the stencil on the brow and press it with 2 fingers starting from the end of the brows using a tapping motion. Okay, let's try it, guys. I'm gonna make sure that I have. And I'm just kind of taking it and tapping it along the stencil. Of course, the inside of the stencil. And we're going to see. Okay, so it definitely filled my brow in. It definitely filled the sparseness in. Let's try the other side. So I'm going to pick up some more product. I'm going to tap it on the lid just a bit. And then we're going to make sure I've got the 5 stencil. And I'm going to tap it on to the brow, all the way along the stencil. Definitely fills your brows in nicely. I want to make sure that I'm getting the tail here. Oh, wow. Okay, Imethod, I'm continuously impressed. So that is like a super easy way. I do think I want to see if like we can build the brow up. Like, let's play around with this a little bit. Why not? I just want to see if we can build it up a bit. Wow, you really can. So, okay, I really do like my Imethod products. I also want to mention, of course, we have the spoolie here to, if you want to buff any part of the brow out and just kind of distribute the product evenly. But honestly, I really didn't feel like I needed to do that. But you can also take the pomade itself and dip in with the liner brush. So let's just do that a little bit. If you have any little spots that you want some extra focus in, like for me, it's like right in this middle area is super sparse. Okay, okay, Imethod, okay. So what I'm loving about this product right now is that it gives a super easy outline for a nice full brow. And then if you want to go back in and freehand any areas, the product itself goes on really nice. This is a nice match for me as well. I just feel like it's really, really easy to use and like user friendly. Like I've got nice brows now and I'm liking it. So that is pretty freaking cool. If I had to pick between this one and the powder one, I definitely favor this one. I like how easy it is just to kind of stamp a shape out and then to go in with the liner brush and just fill in certain little areas if needed. Now, if you have fuller brows to begin with, you probably are not even going to need to go in and fill in free-handed. But if you're sparser like me, or you have light brows like me, what makes this great is that you can go in and get a shape started, get a nice solid shape for your brow started, and then just kind of go in and fill in little spots as needed. And it makes it really, really easy, quick, and kind of like foolproof. So I'm liking this, and you guys, I've been impressed with the products that I've tried from this brand. I love their blush sticks. I love pretty much everything that I've tried so far. I do have another product that we're going to try very soon, and that's also going to be a giveaway video where 3 people also will be able to win on that video. But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. We tried it out. Make sure you comment down below with your favorite emoji, and make sure you follow, if you're not already following my channel, but also make sure that you follow the Imethod YouTube channel, which everything will be in the description box below. And this giveaway will go for 1 week after it goes live. So the day this video goes live, you'll have 1 week to get your entry, and then of course I will pick all of the winners through a random comment picker like I always do, and then those 3 people, I will let you know that you won, and then you can get in contact with me, and I will give your information to Imethod, and they will ship you out your perfect eyebrows in seconds kit. And good luck to everybody, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.